You need to watch this if you're dreaming of the ultimate PC setup. We're building it in 2024 style. First up, you need a powerful CPU. Think AMD Ryzen 9 or Intel i9 for top-notch performance. Next, grab a compatible motherboard, something like the Asus ROG series for gaming or productivity. Now, RAM time. 16 GB is good, but 32 GB will future-proof your rig. For the graphics card, go big with an NVIDIA RTX 4000 series or an AMD Radeon RX 7000 series. These will handle anything you throw at them. Storage? NVMe SSDs are the way to go. Fast, reliable, and perfect for gaming and multitasking. Don't forget a solid power supply. Around 750W should do the trick. Cooling is crucial. Consider an all-in-one liquid cooler or high-quality air coolers. And of course, your case. Pick one with good airflow and enough space for all your components. Finally, assemble everything carefully. Double-check connections and boot up. Voila, your dream PC is ready to rock. Like and subscribe for more PC building tips. Happy building!